ang nangyari. Nabisto ni Kong Ronzalo. Oo. Na nagsinungaling. Si Harry Roque. Pero hindi lang naman to ang first time na nagsinungaling siya. Alam naman natin sinungaling si Attorney Harry Roque. Pero, ito lang yung first time na expose yung kanyang kasinungalingan. No? Nahuli. Oo, huling-huli. O, panoorin na natin to.
Secretary Roque, you deny to be a lawyer of Lucky South 99. I'm just wondering who are you trying to fool? We are not actually born yesterday, Secretary. Sa tingin mo po ba kaya mong paikutin ang mga tao sa hearing na ito kasama ang sambayan ng Pilipino? Of course, deny as much as you want. But the overwhelming pieces of evidence point to one thing. An only reasonable person, any reasonable person, will come to an unmistakable conclusion. You are part, or perhaps a lawyer, of Pogo South 99.
Mr. Chair, I resent that. I am not fooling anyone.
Oh, wawa naman. I resent that. Na-hurt ako, Kong Ronzalo. Kong, na-hurt ako, Kong. My goodness. I'm so hurt. I resent that. Alam nga mga kochero, kasi binubola naman kasi talaga tayo nito ni Attorney Harry Roque. Nasa org chart nga siya eh. Imposible walang consent yun. Imposible walang consent na ilalagay yung pangalan mo sa org chart. Imposible yun kasi pipirma ka eh. Diba? Lalo na kung executive committee ka. May pipirmahan kang papeles para maging part ka ng org chart. Hindi yan yung tipong isip ka lang ng pangalan, uy, di ko Harry Roque, lagay natin, ha? No! Kaya nga isinumite yan sa PAGCOR eh, yung org chart na yun. Kaya isinumite yan kasi it is the official document of Lucky South 99. Buti nga, hindi siya board of, BOD eh, hindi siya board of directors eh. Mas malala yun. Ibig sabihin nun, shareholder ka. Oh, or stockholder ka. Oh, shareholder pala. Sorry. Diba? Hindi ka basta-basta ilalagay doon. Oo, hindi ka basta-basta ilalagay sa executive committee. Kasi ang nilalagay doon, pinipili ng board of directors. Diyos ko naman. Huwag naman tayong gawing tanga nito ni... Kaya nga tama si Kong Ronzalo eh. Huwag tayong gawing tanga. Don't play the Filipino people for fools. Kasi ginagawa nga tayong tanga nito ni Attorney Harry Roque. Ayaw mo, play.
I resent that also coming from someone who was my former law student.
Ooh.
And who was my inaanak.
Wow! Wala ka pinagkaiba kay Sarah. Nag-Sarah mode siya bigla. Alam mo, noong 2016, nagmakaawa ka sa akin para iboto ka sa Davao City. Naalala ko, nung natalo ka ng 2016, natatakot ka. Ganun din to eh. Langya to. Goodness, kailangan pa sabihin naging law student mo? Diba? Ngayon, naging law student mo, kung sinungaling ka eh. Anong pinagkain? Anong connection ng pagiging law student or former law student ni Congressman Ronzalo sa pagsisinungaling mo ngayon tungkol sa Lucky South 99? Biktima yarn? O biktima mahal? Wisit mo. Inahanap pa raw, ninang daw. Sabi ni Ju Wapping, ninang daw, ninang. Ninang. Anyway. Diba? Tapos anong connection nung kanil?
Hi, Lolo. Hindi ko akalain na sa pagbawas ng hirap niya, nabawasan din ang aking pangamba.
Nung kanilang, ano ba, relations, nung kanilang pagiging godfather, oo. Diyos ko, godfather or godmother? Ano ba yung tawag natin? Godfather, mother? Connection. O, yung connection na lang para mas safe. Diba? Diba, alam mo yun? Nag-ano siya eh, nag-low-key tawag dito. Low-key na flex. Na ano siya, mas maano ako sa'yo kasi mas mahusay ako sa'yo kasi naging student lang kita. No? Tapos ako ninong mo. Baka ninong sa kasal or what have you. Oo. Nung may. Kung gumagawa ka ng kabalbalan kahit ikaw pa yung Diyos ng sanlibutan. Kung gumagawa ka ng kabalbalan, sinong matutuwa sa'yo? Biktima wala. Parang si Sara Duterte I do not appreciate, Madam Chair, I do not appreciate the politicizing of the budget of the office of the Vice President. Ang libro ko po ay tungkol sa friendship. Tungkol siya sa friendship. Diyos ko. Ito talaga si Torny Harry.
That's not the way to treat a resource person of this house. At least when I was a member of this house, we never treated resource persons in that way. I resent that for the record, Mr. Chairman.
Biktimang wala.
May I ask the Honorable Member Comsalo to refrain in issuing statements that would insult our resource persons. I'm not saying you are, but try to avoid issuing statements that would hurt the feelings of our resource person.
Ang parang kapag ginanyan ka ng ibang tao, parang daw nasa hearing ka, tapos sasabihin sa'yo na ganyan. Please refrain from hurting the feelings of our resource person. Parang ako yung nakarinig nun, may insulto ko Parang, ha? Feelings? Ganun lang ba? Ganun lang ba usapan dito? Feelings lang? Di ba nakakahiya? Parang, ha? Feelings? Anyway, ako lang siguro. Kasi, siguro, ako kasi, I try to think in a cognitive way. Less emotions. So, para sa akin, medyo parang, feelings? Anyway, ako lang siguro yun.
Please proceed.
Will do, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in our last hearing on August 16, Friday in Pampanga, Secretary Roque was invited by the Squad Committee. And Attorney Harry Roque sent a letter dated August 13, 2024, addressed to the Honorable Chairman, Robert Ace Barbers. Yours true. Are you the lead chairman? Informing Chair Barbers that he will not be able to participate in the said meeting due to conflict with the previously scheduled court hearing before the Regional Trial Court of Manila on 16 August 2024, the same date of our Quad Committee hearing. I have here a copy of that particular letter. Mr. Chair, we have also in receipt here a copy of certification from Attorney Jennifer H. de la Cruz, Buendia, Clerk of Court and ex-officio Sheriff of Manila, RTC Manila, stating that Attorney Harry Roque has no hearing on August 16 and did not appear in the courts of Manila on said date.
Uli, kabalbon. Yung law student mo, inisahan ka. Yung law student ni Harry Roque, nahuli yung kasinungalingan niya. Ang sikit-sikit naman yan. Ang sikit-sikit naman. Baby shit. So, nagsulat daw ng excuse letter, quote-unquote. Excuse letter itong si Harry Roque sa committee na hindi raw siya makaka-attend dahil meron daw siyang hearing sa court. Meron daw siyang hearing sa court ng Manila. Oo. Etong si Kong Ronzalo, hindi happy dun sa excuse. Anong ginawa? Pumunta sa clerk of court, nagtanong, meron po bang hearing dito on this specific date? May hearing po ba dito si Attorney Harry Roque? Sabi ng clerk of court and ex-officio sheriff. Na abogado rin, sabi, ay wala po sir. Ay, patay, huli. Attorney Harry! And Harry! And Harry siya!